Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're mastering resin 3D printing, focusing on bed leveling and running an exposure test for perfect prints. Properly leveling the bed is essential for consistent prints. An unlevel bed can cause prints to not stick or have uneven layers. Start by loosening the screws holding the bed. This allows you to adjust its position freely. Lower the bed to its home position using the printer's menu. This sets the correct starting point for leveling. Place a piece of paper between the bed and the screen to gauge the distance and prevent scratches. Hold the bed down and tighten the screws. Ensure it's snug but not overly tight to avoid warping. Proper leveling ensures each layer adheres correctly, leading to a high-quality final product. Some printers come with auto-leveling features, making the process much easier. The printer automatically adjusts the bed, eliminating the risk of errors during manual leveling. After leveling the bed, if you're using a new resin, it's important to run an exposure test to find the best curing time. In my case, I'm using the Photonsters Validation Matrix test. This test includes several key elements. Pins and holes should have the same number on both sides of the test, allowing you to check if the exposure is balanced. The teardrops in the central square should barely touch at the intersection, helping you determine the precision of the exposure. The central square should measure exactly 20 mm with a 1 mm edge around it. From this test, we can determine if the exposure is balanced. If the pins and holes match, the teardrops barely touch, and the central square is exactly 20 mm, then the settings are correct. If the results deviate from these measurements, you'll need to adjust the exposure time to get better results. And that's it. Bed leveling and exposure tests are crucial steps to get the best results when resin 3D printing. Remember, different resins may require different exposure times, so it's always a good idea to run tests for new materials. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.